this is your spacious living and dining area. This is your kitchen area. You'll be getting a two-sided platform. How spacious it is. You can place easily a king-size bed over. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Anushri, and today I'll be showing you 3 BHK actual flat tour of Esquina Private Residencies by Prabhakar Konthe. As you can see, I'm inside the sales office of the project. And now I'll be showing you the neighborhood and the actual location. But before that, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where the home buyers are directly connected to the developers, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do one single inquiry, your contact number is directly shared with the multiple brokers, which will lead to endless calling. But in Housey, you are directly connected to the developers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with Housey. So let's start. So as you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual project. And this tower is above on Kalyan Jewellers and Indriya Jewellers. Let me show you the neighborhood. So the road on the left hand side leads you to the Vile Parle, and the road on the right hand side takes you to the Goregaon. Now let's talk about project overview. So this project is being developed on 0.5 acres of land parcel featuring one tower, ground plus 19 floors, having 2.5 and 3 BHK premium residences with Jodi options available. Now let's talk about amenities. So here you get access to 25 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area, jogging track and many more. Now let's talk about connectivity. So this project is diagonally opposite to the Infinity Mall next to Lotus Petrol Pump, Andheri West, Mumbai. With upcoming flyover which is right behind me that connects you to JVLR, which is 1 minute away from the project, International Airport 30 minutes, and Lower Oshiwara Metro Station 1 minute walking. All school, colleges, hospital in a radius of 1 kilometer. Now let me show you your 3 BHK actual flat with the square feet of 1305. So this is your spacious living and dining area. You can see the ample of walking amount you'll be getting here. So जो भी आप देख रहे हैं आपको ये फ्लैट वैसा ही मिलने वाला है. So you can see how spacious it is. You can set up your sofa or couch as per your preference. You can design this entire house according to your style. You can set up your TV unit here. There's a lot of space at the wall to store a cabinet for your essential purpose. You can also keep here a cabinet as well. And the best part, you're going to get a deck area. So this is your spacious deck area where you can attach a sofa swing or a chair table according to your preference. And here at this side you can keep your dining area. A huge size dining area can easily come at this place. So have a look to your living and dining area. And let me tell you, this has an Italian marble. So in the entire home you'll be getting an Italian marble. Now let's move on to your kitchen area. So this is your kitchen area. You'll be getting a two-sided platform with the upper cabinet and lower cabinet. You'll be getting as it is. So this is a space to set up your washing machine. And here you can keep your refrigerator. And you'll be getting a French window for your ventilation purpose. Now let's move ahead. So on the left hand side, this is your powder washroom. Currently it is locked, but it is as same as your other washroom. I'll be showing you. So this is the layout. This is the first bedroom, second bedroom, and this is the third bedroom. Now let me show you your first bedroom. So as I enter, you'll be having your attached washroom. Have a look to your attached washroom. It is with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. So your powder washroom will also look like this. And now let me show you. This is your bedroom. So you can see how spacious it is. After placing a huge king-size bed, you will still have a lot of space to walk around. You'll be getting a French window for your ventilation purpose. You can easily set up your huge wardrobe as well, and a dressing table also. Now let's move on to your second bedroom, which is opposite to your first bedroom. So this is your second bedroom. You can see how spacious it is. After placing a bed, again there will be a lot of space. So this entire home is very spacious. You'll be getting a French window for your ventilation purpose. And this side you can set up your wardrobe. You can see a huge wardrobe can easily place over here. And you'll be getting an attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Now let's move on to your master bedroom, but before that let me tell you some key features of Housey. So here's houses with the actual location tour, sample flat video, actual flat video, pros and cons of the project, payment scheme and EMI schedule, 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are in Housey itself. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and book your free site visits. Now let's move on to your master bedroom. So as we enter, first you have your attached washroom. Have a look to your attached washroom. Now this is your master bedroom. You can see how spacious it is. You can place easily a king size bed over here. So in the entire home you'll be getting an Italian marble, and in washroom you'll be getting anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. So you'll be getting a French window as well for your ventilation purpose. This side also you'll be getting a French window. You can easily set up your huge wardrobe. So everyone, this was a complete 3 BHK actual flat tour of Esquina Private Residencies by Prabhakar Konte, located at Andheri West, Mumbai. If you are looking for more details of this project, click on the link below to download e-brochures and price sheets. And don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.